Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how $250,000 focal loudspeakers are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe. Pallet 3B is clear. Send it to staging.
Copy that, moving it now.
By isolating the layers, we highlight the meticulous driver placement and the robust internal bracing structure of the enclosure.
See this spike right here on the frequency plot? It correlates with the dip in the impedance curve.
Yes, the time domain data confirms the resonance issue.
The airflow through the damping zone is optimized here.
And the port dimensions align with the new volume specs.
The decay on the carbon fiber is much faster than the alloy.
Agreed, but look at the coloration here. That peak is significant.
And driver sensitivity is 90.5 decibels at 1 watt.
Got it. Moving to the crossover points next.
We need to reduce the stress concentration at the apex.
Okay, adjusting the cone geometry now. That looks significantly better.
As you can see from the simulation, the thermal load here is within tolerance.
Yes, that aligns with the performance targets we set.
Acoustic targets locked. Final acoustic targets, response, phase, and sensitivity are confirmed. Approved.
Torque it to specification.
Done. The glue line is perfect.
Structure is locked.
The grain on this walnut is superb. Look at the depth.
Yes, but the mahogany has a better consistency for the larger panels.
True. Yeah. Let's use the mahogany then.
The grain has to be absolutely perfect, mirroring the other side exactly. That's the standard for these cabinets.
The deviation is negligible, but we need to adjust the gap by 2 microns.
Confirmed. Rerunning the diagnostic now. Looks aligned.
Individual driver measurement. Each driver undergoes individual frequency. Curves appear on monitors.
Drivers are matched into stereo pairs. Measurement data ensures left and right units exhibit nearly identical acoustic behavior.
Tweeter motor assembly. Tweeter motor components are assembled on precision fixtures. Magnetic structures align concentrically to ensure linear diaphragm motion.
Tweeters are measured for sensitivity. Units are grouped so stereo pairs share identical output levels.
Internal wiring harnesses are cut, terminated, and bundled. Cable lengths are matched precisely to avoid phase or resistance imbalance. Sealing gaskets are applied around drivers and access panels. The material compresses uniformly, guaranteeing airtight cabinet integrity.
The phase alignment is slightly off on the right channel. Adjust the crossover frequency to 2.5 kilohertz.
When the music takes control, I feel you near.
Final approval confirmed. They are reference certified.
Excellent work. Clear them for delivery.
All right, keep it coming down easy.
Looks good. Hand me that foam piece.
Team, maintain current vector. Vibration levels nominal.
Copy that, Supervisor. Easing onto the ramp now.